Hey everybody, it's Cody from Build Digital Income, and today we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and why I believe it's the best way to get started making money online with very little money and maybe even free. So first of all, I want to show you Amazon.com, and this is where I got my start making money online. And you just go to Amazon.com, and you want to go to all the way down the very bottom, and where it says make money with us, you can go all the way down and see become an affiliate. And from here, you just follow the directions. And so you want to join first, and then it'll take you step by step how to advertise and earn. And then down the road, I'm gonna be also making some more videos on how to get started with Amazon.com, because that's where I got my start. So I actually really like them. Really, all companies really have an affiliate program. Most companies, you can just easily search. Just go into Google and just type in whatever you want. Let's see, maybe well, you can see already search Target, but go to Target, and actually you can type in Target affiliate, and it'll pop right up here. And so I already have it set up for you. Go all the way down, and under more, affiliates. So you just click that, and you just follow directions and join up with them. And what affiliate marketing really is in a nutshell, you'd be just promoting other companies to other people, and with the link, once you sign up to these affiliate programs, you will get your own link, and then you can promote that link through your own website, which I'll talk about in other videos, how to set up your own affiliate website, or on your own YouTube channel, which I'll also talk about. And when people click these links, they click back to Amazon or Walmart or Target, and when people purchase through your link, you get a commission. See right here, to 8% when people buy. And this is really powerful, just getting started, and I highly recommend it. It takes very little to no cash to get started with this, but it does take work. It takes a lot of work actually, and a lot of your time. But I really think it's worth it, especially if you're low on money to get started. So, also, let's say you're into makeup. Most makeup companies, say Ulta, also have programs. I believe you can go all the way down here as well, and you can go to affiliates right here. So you click that, and yep, you can earn affiliate commissions through here if you're into makeup, and there's a lot other makeup affiliate program as well. I just want to show you real quick. On Amazon, like I said, that's how I got started, was on Amazon. And let's see here, earnings. It's slow. My apologies. Okay. Now this is my Amazon Associates backend, and I haven't promoted them in a while. I've actually moved on to bigger things with higher commissions. The thing about Amazon is the commissions you get they're pretty low. It is a good way to get started, but I think it ranges from 1.5% to 10%, depending. Most of the items that I promoted were around the 4.5% range. As you can see, this is from last year, because I haven't been promoting this year for Amazon. Like I said, I've been doing other things. But last year, as a new start, from January 1st to December 31st, I made $108 in fees. Now I know that seems like not very much, and it really isn't. But it was, for me, proof that this could be done. and that led me to bigger and better things. So I have to thank Amazon, and I'm really glad I got started with them because it's really easy to get approved. You may need a website of your own to get started. However, that getting your own website, it's pretty cheap, and there are also some free options for you as well. And I'll be talking about that in other videos as well, how to get started for free. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you and kind of explain a little bit what affiliate marketing is. I appreciate you watching this video, and if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. I have plenty more videos coming, and really I'm just going to try and take you through my journey, how I got started, and how you can build your income as you go as well. So thanks a lot, take care, and have a great day.